Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is 3rd of July 2021, Saturday. It is class 11th, subject education. Dear students, as you know, we are discussing secondary education, and today our topic is structure and organization of secondary education. Dear students, so far as the structure or organization of secondary education is concerned, the Secondary Education Commission has given various recommendations, various suggestions with regard to structure and organization of secondary education. Secondary education के बारे में जो सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन कमीशन है 1952 एंड 53 ने काफ़ी कुछ सिफारिशात तफवीज़ की हैं जिससे कि जो सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन है इसमें थोड़ा सुधार हो। तो इस बारे में उन्होंने बहुत सारी सजेशंस दी हैं कि इसका दौरानिया क्या होना चाहिए, किस क्लास से किस क्लास तक सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन हो, उसमें एज लिमिट क्या होना चाहिए, पीरियड्स मसलन मिडिल, जूनियर, हायर सेकेंडरी स्टेज, ये इसको इन्होंने मुतय्यन किया है, पॉइंट आउट किया है। इंटरमीडिएट क्लासेस जो हम इस सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन में हुआ करते थे उनके बारे में उन्होंने अपनी रिकमेंडेशंस दी हैं। कोर्सेज़ के बारे में क्या कोर्सेज़ होने चाहिए और मुख्तलिफ जो तरजीहात हैं उन्होंने मुतय्यन किए हैं। एग्रीकल्चर, टेक्निकल एजुकेशन, स्कूल्स के बारे में कैसे स्कूल होने चाहिए, लड़कियों की एजुकेशन के बारे में, लैंग्वेज के बारे में, और मीडियम ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन जो है हम किस ज़बान में पढ़ाएं। तो ये चीज़ें सारी जो है ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या स्ट्रक्चर में आती हैं। तो हम आज इसको थोड़ा सा डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे। सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन कमीशन हैज़ मेड recommendations regarding reorganization of secondary education. The first is duration of secondary education. Dorania. The period of secondary education should be of 7 years. According to Secondary Education Commission, the period of secondary education should be 7 years. It should be given to children from the age of 11 to 17 years. Division of period. The period of secondary education should be divided into 2 stages. Number first is the middle, or we can say the junior secondary or senior basic stage. First stage is known as the middle stage, or we can say the junior secondary stage or the senior basic stage. It should be the first stage in the secondary education and should cover a period of 3 years. Second, the higher secondary stage. It should be the second stage of secondary education and should cover a period of 4 years. It gets over 3, 7. Abolition of intermediate classes. The Commission suggested the abolition of the intermediate classes. The senior intermediate class, that is 12th class, should be combined with the degree class, and the junior intermediate class, that is 11th class, with the high school class. In other words, it had pleaded for a 3-year degree course with 1 year of pre-university course for the students who, after passing the high school examination, want to join the university or college. Diversification of courses. Diversification of courses means diversified courses should be introduced at the higher secondary stage of education. In this connection, multi-purpose schools should be established. Agriculture schools, technical schools, commercial schools, etc. should be established to enable students to acquire education according to their interests, aims, and diverse abilities. Emphasis on agriculture education in rural schools. Greater opportunities should be provided for agriculture education in rural schools. Horticulture and animal husbandry, which are allied subjects of the agriculture, should also be taught. Establishing technical schools. Technical schools should be established in large numbers in industrial centers. These schools should either be independent or connected with the multi-purpose schools. Technological institutes should be started in big cities so that they may meet the demands of number of local schools. Technical schools should be located near industries and should function in close cooperation with the industry concerned. Suitable legislation should be passed so that every industry should take a number of trainings. A small cess called industrial education cess should be levied, and the proceeds of this cess should be utilized for the development of technical education. Public school and residential schools. Public schools should be allowed to function for some time, say for about 5 years. During this time, organization of their education should be made of the same type as that of other secondary schools. Residential schools should be established in suitable centers to provide greater opportunities for teacher-pupil contact and for developing recreational and extracurricular activities. Education of girls. The Commission does not like the idea of having a different type of education for girls, but it recommended that special facilities for the study of home science should be made available in all girls' schools. Study of 3 languages. 5 different groups of languages should be taken into consideration while taking up any question of teaching of language. Number first is mother tongue. Number second is regional language when it is not the mother tongue. Number third is official or federal language. Number fourth is classical language, Sanskrit, Arabic, Persian, Latin, etc. And fifth is English as an international language. Medium of instruction. The medium of instruction at the secondary stage should be either the mother tongue or the regional language. At middle school, every student must be taught at least 2 languages, Hindi and English. Should be taught after the junior basic stage of education. While teaching these languages, it should be kept in mind that the teaching of both these languages should not start in the same year. At the higher secondary stage of education, the student must be taught at least 2 languages. One of them should be the mother tongue and the other one regional language. Dear students, it is all for today. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will proceed further and take up some other topic. Till then, bye. Assalamu alaikum.